Hello, welcome back to Galvix's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about Ohio sales tax nexus. If you're a business who sells to customers of Ohio, then you may be required to collect and remit sales tax when these conditions are met. So let's get started. Firstly, what is sales tax nexus? It is simply put a connection between your business and the state that obligates you in collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. Now, when do you know that you have this connection? It is in two conditions. One is a physical nexus, the other one's an economic nexus. Physical nexus is established when you have a physical presence, when your business has an office, a warehouse, an inventory, or employees working in the state of Ohio, or if you have any temporary sales activities. All of those things can create a sales tax obligation. So in that case, you will need to register for sales tax certificate in Ohio. But if you do not have a physical presence, then your connection, which is your nexus, is determined by your sales volume and number of transactions over a period of time. Now, for the state of Ohio, the sales threshold is $100,000 and transaction threshold is 200. So, if you meet these criteria for your sales, then you will be required to register for sales tax certificate. Now, the major question here is what exactly counts towards that threshold? This is where a lot of businesses get it wrong. So, I'm going to answer it in three simple questions. Firstly, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold? Now, for the state of Ohio, the answer is no, they are not excluded. So, even if you sell on marketplace like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and if they collect, sales tax on your behalf, those sales will still be calculated for your economic threshold calculation. Now, the next one is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? The answer is yes, they are in fact excluded from the calculation of your economic nexus threshold, but you will need to keep the documentation intact, of course. Now, the third and final question is, are non taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold? The answer is yes, they are in fact excluded from the economic threshold calculation, but of course, you'll need to keep the documentation intact to prove their exemption status. Now, once you've calculated based on these conditions, if you still cross the 100,000 threshold or 200 transaction, then you will be required to register for sales tax certificate at the Ohio portal, which is OHID portal. You can check out one of our tutorials ongoing, which will give you a visual walkthrough on how you can navigate this portal and get your sales tax certificate. Or you can contact us via Galvex, a sales tax compliance solution. We help you with Nexus tracking across US for your business, and also with registration and filing of your returns. So you can check us out down below at www.galvex.com. Like this video if you thought it was useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions with reference to Ohio sales tax or any other US sales tax. We'll be happy to answer it for you. Take care. I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.